Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scribe lesson 4, Create Art with Code. Okay, so let's go to puzzle 2. Okay, hi, I'm an artist. You can write code to make me draw almost anything. Okay, play with the blocks inside the toolbox to see what they do. Okay, here we have the move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degree, turn left by 90 degree, and jump forward or backward, okay, by 100 pixel, and set color with random color and repeat block. So you can try with that one by one. For the first one is I try with the move forward by 100 pixels. So the artist will draw a line with 100 pixels and its color is black. But before you move forward, you can set the color to red. The line of code, the line will be drawn with a red color. Okay, so and another one is you can use the set a random color and you can reset and run. This one is green and green, reset and run again. This time is purple and this time is like this one is pink, right? Okay, so you can try. And another one is with turn right by 90 degree, reset and run. Okay, the artist turn to right by 90 degree and you can draw another line with the 100 pixel like that. Okay, so you can use a set a random color again with this one. Before the draw, it change the color. Okay, like this. And another one is the jump forward or jump backward. But before jump, you use the turn. For me now, I use the turn right again. Okay, by 90 degree and jump forward by 100 pixel. So what happened? Okay, you can see the artist will jump from this point to this point without drawing anything. Okay, so because the jump forward is not draw, jump forward or backward, it's not draw the line and it's not draw the line, so it just jump. Okay, so you can try it one by one. And now I just turn right again and I just move forward by 100 pixel again, reset and run. You can see, okay, like that. So I just finished it and you can play around with it before you go to the puzzle 3. Okay. Puzzle 3, let's make a cage for pet monster. Okay, drag block onto the screen to help the artist draw over the gray line in the pictures. Okay, each line is 100 pixels long. So we already have two sides. Okay, what you have to do is draw more two. Okay, two more sides. Okay, with 100 pixel long. Okay, and like this. I think this one is correct. Reset and run. Okay, that's correct. Continue to the puzzle 4. So this spaceship need a window. Okay, each side of the inner square is 100 pixel and all of the angle are 90 degree. So you can use move forward by 100 pixel and turn right and move forward by 100 pixel again and again for 4 times. But for me, I just use the repeat block and turn and move forward and turn right by 90 degree inside the repeat block. So I use only the fourth block of code. Reset and run. Okay, that's cool. And if you want to use to set a random colors here, it's up to you and it's more colorful. Okay, so just continue to the puzzle 5. Oh no, Stella's pet alien just flew away. Let's have the space woman finish the Stella rocket so she can chase her pet. Okay. So each side of the triangle is 100 pixels long and has 120-degree outer angle. Okay. So you just move forward for 100 pixel by 100 pixel, and after that turn left by 120, and another one, and another one is like that. So just run. Okay, but the color is not quite right yet, so you can use the set color here and click the color, and you can check this color. I think this one is okay. And change the code by using the repeat block with 3 times, and use only 2 lines of code. Okay, reset. No, okay, reset and run. Okay, that's correct. You use only 5 lines of code. Okay, continue. Maybe we should make a tag for each of our pet in case they get lost. Okay, so finish this stage by drawing a rectangle around the outside. The long side is 20, no 20, it is 200 pixel, and the short side uh, is 100 pixel. So what you have to do is move forward by, this one is 200 pixel, and turn right by 90 degree and draw it with a 100 pixel. Okay, and after that you have to turn to right again, and you move forward by 200 pixel again, and turn right by 90 degree, move forward by 100 pixel, reset and run. Let's check it. Okay, that's correct. Finish it. Puzzle 7. Now attach for belly. Okay, draw this square with 200 pixel size. So this is a square, right? So the problem is with now let's try with a move forward. You can see. Okay, that's it. The 400 pixel. Try with 200 pixel, right? So that is, you can use with the repeat block again. Move forward by 200 pixel, and after that it's turn left by 90 degree, and 4 times you can draw a square. Okay, continue. Okay, this is the challenging puzzle. I'm ready. And this pet name takes a special shape. Can you figure out how to draw the outline? The long side is 150 pixel, and each of the short side are 75 pixel. So what you have to do for this, you have to draw it one by one. You cannot use the repeat block. Okay. So what you have to do is to use the move forward block. You can use around 150 pixel. It is the long side. And after that, you have to turn to right. And for this, you not turn to right by 90 or 120. You turn only 45 degree. And after that, you draw the short side is only 75 pixel. Okay. And after that, you just try to see what happens. Okay, so after that you have to turn to right again by, for this time it's not 45, it is 90 degree, and after that move forward by 75. Okay, that is, you can check it. Okay, that's right. After that you have to turn to right by 45 degree again to draw the long side is 200, and after that it's turn right, not 90 degree, but it is 45 again, and then move forward with 75 and turn to right again by 90 degree, move forward by 75. Okay, that's correct. Reset and run. Oh, problem is here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is here. So let's check it out again. 1, 2. Oh, what is problem? It is too long for here. It is only 150. Sorry, I put it 200. Okay. Okay, correct. Continue to the puzzle 9. One more take. This is a triangle for pi. Okay. X size is 150 pixels. So what you have to draw, you can use for loop again, but this time you can use the 3 because we have only 3 size. So you move forward by 150 pixels, and after that you have to turn left. So to turn left, if you turn by 120 degrees, okay. Oh, so a little bit fast, but it's correct. Continue to the puzzle 10. It is the you have to check the answer with the code. Okay, look carefully at the code below. What will happen when you click run? So first you have to check this. Move forward by 200 pixel. Turn left. Move forward. You can see the code. It is the size is quite the same, right? 20, no 20, 200 pixel. And about the turn left also 90 degree the same. So I think this artist will draw a triangle. No, a triangle. We have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not a triangle. Single line, a square. Draw a hexagon. No, it is draw a square. Okay. The answer is C. Okay, correct. Continue. Okay, now we go to the challenge. We have 2, the pet house and road. Now we go to the pet house for the first. Okay, draw room for each of the animal, and there are many different ways to show this puzzle. So have some fun. X square has side length is 100 pixels, so you have your own way to complete this. Okay, so I have my own way to complete this. So I try my way to complete it, and you try your way to complete it. So for the first one is, you know that the each side of square is 100 pixels. So now I draw the long side is I draw the 200 pixel. Okay, and after that I turn right by 90 degree. I move forward by 100 pixel and turn right by 90 degree again and draw by 200 pixel again and turn right by 90 degree. Move forward by 100 pixel. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, so what you have to do is draw a line to separate the cage between the dog and the cat. So what you have to do is turn to right by 90 degree again, and you use a jump forward by 100 pixel. Okay, so after that you have to turn to right by 90 degree again and move forward by 100 pixel. Okay, reset and run. Okay, completed. So we have the last one is the road. Go to the road. Okay, help me paint the yellow line on this road. There are 3 line segments have length 150, 100, and 200. Okay, so what you have to do is draw. The first one is, I think there should be 150, and then turn, I think this one is turn left by 90 degree and move forward by, this is the short side, I think should be 100 pixel, and turn right by 90 degree, move forward by This time it should be 200. Okay, reset and run. That's completed. Con- okay, now the lesson for creating art with code is completed. So I hope you all guys learned something from this and see you again in the lesson 5.